Whoa, sure is cold out there. Good thing these brains are about to warm up with a sound drill. Remember, I'm going to say the letters, the keyword, and the sound that those letters make, and you're going to repeat after me when I go like this. Capiche? Nice, nice. Great spark, Robert. Excellent job sitting all the way up. All right, let's get it, shall we? A digraph is two letters that make one sound. Two letters that make one sound. Let's review some digraphs, shall we? SH, ship, sh. QU, queen, quo. WH, whistle, whoa. CH, chin, ch. TH, thumb, th. CK, sock, k. Nice, give yourself 2 pats on the back for the digraph. Now remember, welded sounds are letters that are so close together that they make a new sound. They're letters that are so close together that they make a new sound. Let's go over the welded sounds. ALL, ball, all. AN, ham, am. AN, fan, an. ANG, fang, ang. ING, ring, ing. ONG, song, ong. UNG, lung, ung. ANK, bank, ank. INK, pink, ink. ONK, honk, onk. UNK, junk, unk. Excellent job. Give yourself 2 pats on the back. Now let's get started on the lesson, shall we?